Hello, we are back after a while, and we want to repair a tablet, an MLS q1909 that was booked in for a speaker problem. But it's not, of course, the speaker. It's someone's job that couldn't fix anything and eventually ruined daughter board. So I will switch to the microscopic view to see what I mean and what's my opinion for all this. This is the daughter board that the microphone is connected, the buzzer, and here is the speaker minus and speaker plus, that the speaker pads are touching and working. Here is the daughter board's connection, you see, through the flex cable to the main board. But as you can see, I will zoom in for you to see. You see this bridging? You see this bridging? There are 4 pins bridged, and the flex cable is not inserted. It's glued. You see, this is glue that is holding the cable in place. This is not a proper job, okay? It's not a good job. We're not pretending that we are good or better or whatever, but this is not a job for a client. This job is for laughs. And the sad thing is this job was made by a technician, okay? It's not a job that made from an individual in his home with a soldering iron from Lidl. If you don't know something, please do not try to do this. It's not this bridging is obvious. Does not need advanced soldering skills to get rid of the bridging. Okay, and I don't know why someone did such a job. Of course, the customer didn't say anything, okay? We said to him that someone else was trying to repair it and didn't manage anything, and as a result, he ruined some things. And then he told us, oh yes, it is we went to another store and tried to repair it and all of this. See? There's no short anymore. It wasn't so difficult, okay? Now the difficult for me is to identify the glue and not with a glue. With a glue, really. With a glue, we're doing things. We're try to repair electronic things with resin, not resin on plastic clips. That of course will work, but in order to attach copper to copper, we are soldering, we're gluing the flex cable on the plastic tray. This is hilarious. Okay. I don't know if it will end good. Of course, I don't know if this will end good, because I think it is. This glue is super glue. I would like to meet this guy who did that. Really. Of course it's super glue. And I think that this guy who did that must change his profession. Because I'm back with that. I have done a lot of effort to remove this glue, but didn't manage to succeed, so I will remove it and I will try to solder the cable directly. It sounds difficult, it's not something easy, and probably will fail. Okay, now I will tin the pads. And now I will tin the wire I will turn the wire in order to be soldered on the pads. I will now add some plugs here. I will try to align now. You see, I'm not touching the plastic, I'm melting only the solder on the pads in order to touch the solder I have added to the flex cable. I strongly believe that I will not do anything, I will not repair it. We need a new connector here. But I can try. So I am back with this repair. Sorry, you can only see the flex cable already soldered, but believe me, I wasn't sure if I will destroy the flex cable or will repair it, and because the work in between was a lot, I decided to get another socket, solder it and do that, but I couldn't find in Greek market such a part, so I did the leap of faith and scrape out, you see. I will show you. I scraped the plastic, this, I scraped it out and exposed a little, a very little, it's about 1/10 of a millimeter, the copper and the flex cable. So the procedure went well. I have first put on a Kapton tape to hold the flex cable down, and after that I soldered the flex cable on the pads with my soldering iron and by applying pressure with my tweezers, as I did before, but it couldn't succeed. Now it is okay. I can switch to the other view, the normal view. Now I will bring forth a multimeter. I will switch on the diode mode, and I will check with my multimeter from continuity between the first pin cannot see anything. I will use my multimeter. Okay. The second pin. Third pin. Third pin. The fourth pin. all the pads are soldered properly, and you can see the, of course you can see the you will see, you cannot see this daughterboard hosts the buzzer, the microphone and the pads for the speaker. See the speaker? So I will now plug the battery. If I can. Okay. Power on the. No, I will put back the. Power on the device. And after it boots, we will check the volume cable, the volume controls, and the sound to the speaker. I didn't record the whole process, unfortunately. Because at first I wanted to replace, to find a replacement socket, and after that I said, okay, I can try to do that again, and I did that. It succeeded, but I was not recording. That was so. Yeah, you can hear the speaker. The microphone's here. It's working, and I'm very glad that I did that, because it was a very interesting repair, difficult repair, after a long time that I have been absent from the videos. And that I cannot understand is why a technician tried to ruin a board, and if he couldn't make the repair, if he didn't know what to do, why he couldn't forward the job to another technician that could manage to repair the device. Okay, that's all for now. See you in the next repair. Bye.